Here's a review of your LT4 entrance ticket. I want you to draw ray AB and ray AC where A, B, and C are not collinear. Notice A is in both these rays. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw ray AB. Now remember, when you draw a ray, the beginning point is where your end point is. So there's ray AB. And I'm going to put AC, but I don't want them to be collinear, so I'm going to put like C up here. In other words, when I tell you to draw in ray AB and ray AC, I'm actually asking you to create angle A, or angle CAB. Now on number 2, it's very similar to number 1, but we want to draw opposite rays DE and DF. And once again, notice D is in both of them, but this time I want them to be opposite, so I'm actually just going to form a line. I'm going to put D someplace here. Whoops, that's supposed to be a D, not a B. And then we're going to have, well, I'm going to try that again. That doesn't look very nice. D, and then I'll have like E go in one direction and F go in a different direction. So I've got ray DE and ray DF, opposite rays. Notice they form a line. That's line FD or line DE or line FE, no matter how you do it. Here's a little review of solving equations. Remember, you want to simplify first. So what I'm going to do is combine I'm going to combine all my like terms. I'm going to go 2x plus x plus 3x. Well, 2x plus x is 3x plus 3x is 6x. And then 3, let me change colors here so we can see that. I'm going to take positive 3 minus 4, that's negative 1, minus 5, that's negative 6. So I'll go 6x minus 6 equals 180. Then, to get x by itself, I will undo adding 6 to both sides first. So the opposite of subtracting is adding, so we're going to get 6x equals 186. Well, then I'll divide both sides by 6. Notice my 6 is reduced. I get x equals, and 186 divided by 6, you can use a calculator, or just notice that 6 goes in 186 31 times, and there's our answer. So x is 31. And finally, let's take a look at number 4. The only difference is, notice this time, my variables are on the opposite side, so I want to get all the variables on the same side. It doesn't matter which one you move. You can move the 5x, or you can move the 8x. You'll notice I always like to move the smaller one because I like to keep those in, I like to keep my variables positive, but it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. Notice how we keep them in nice in columns. And then 5x minus 5x, well, that's 0. So, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. There we go. That's 0. I bring down the 2. 8x minus 5x is 3x. I don't like red here, so I'm going to change that back. 3x minus 10. Then I want to get the x by itself, kind of like I did before. So I want to get rid of the 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 10 to both sides. So 2 plus 10 is 12 equals 3x. And we'll divide both sides by 3. And 4 equals x. And there's your answer for your entrance ticket today.